Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into 5 major differences between the iPad mini 3 and the M1 iPad Air. And if you have missed our unboxing of the M1 iPad Air a few days back, don't worry, I'll link it in the description below. Let's start with a quick recap of what you get in the box of iPad M1 Air. It comes with the iPad itself, USB-C to C cable and a 20-watt charging adapter. Mine was a demo piece, so the USB-C cable and the 20-watt charging adapter was not there. Compare that to the iPad mini 3 way back from 2014. It came with a lightning cable and a small 10-watt charger, and of course the home button that was a star back then. The iPad mini 3 ran on the Apple's A7 chip with just 1 GB of RAM. It was decent at the time, but today it struggles with modern apps. The M1 iPad Air on the other hand uses the same chip that powers the MacBook Air, the Apple M1. It's insanely fast, has 8 GB of RAM and handles multitasking like a pro. The Mini 3 has a 7.9-inch Retina display with thick bezels and the classic home button. Now check out the iPad Air and 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display with a modern edge-to-edge fit. It's brighter, sharper and much more impressive. The Mini 3 has rounded edges, a physical home button and that older iPad look. The 5 Air has a sleeker, flat edge design. Touch ID is now built into the power button and you get USB-C port instead of Lightning. The Mini 3 has a basic 5 megapixel rear camera and a 1.2 megapixel selfie cam, not ideal by today's standard. Meanwhile, the Air has a 12 megapixel camera on both front and back and features like center stage for better video call. Plus it supports a second generation of Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard. The iPad Mini 3 is stuck on the outdated iOS 12, which means no dark mode, no widgets and no modern iPadOS features. The iPad Air is running on the latest iPadOS 18, multitasking, stage manager, widget, external display, you name it. It helps to make you work better. So there you have it, 5 big differences between these two iPads. The Mini 3 was iconic, but the Air 5 is on a whole new level. If you're curious to see the unboxing in full, please check the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.